Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming versions and making a backup so nothing is lost. First, close Discord fully and note the Vencord version. If mismatched, it causes failures. Once done, copy the Vencord folder and settings. JSON to a safe location. This preserves your configuration. Next, disable other mods and browser extensions to avoid conflicts, and make sure you have access to PowerShell or Node because you will run installation commands. This prevents mid-repair surprises and speeds troubleshooting. You now remove the damaged files and reinstall cleanly. Begin by running Vencord's uninstaller or manually deleting the plugin and resource files from the client folder. This ensures no legacy files linger. Then download the correct Vencord build that matches your Discord release, because mismatched builds break hooks. Once downloaded, run the installer or execute the provided PowerShell/Node install script with administrative rights. This writes files and rebuilds hooks correctly. Make sure to watch output for errors, and you finish by validating operation and handling residual issues. Restart Discord and check that Vencord loads, then re-enable other extensions one at a time to spot conflicts. If something behaves oddly, restore your backup settings or clear the client cache to remove stale data. For persistent failures, open developer tools or the Vencord log, capture errors, and try a clean profile or fresh Discord install to isolate the problem. If you still see errors, include exact log lines when seeking help so you get accurate fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.